Have you ever wondered why some salesmen are way better than others? Have you? I have. Okay, so basically, have you ever wondered how you can become super successful and like super accomplished in life? I have. Okay, so basically, there's this principle I just learned about, and it's called the act as if principle. So, if you act as if you already have achieved what you want to achieve, the chances of you accomplishing that go like way higher. Because like think about it, okay? If you want to like let's say become a successful salesman in cars, okay? If you act as if you already have a dealership, you act as if you've already like sold like Lamborghinis to like celebrities, then pretty soon that confidence and like it's just gonna make you that much more successful and that much more confident and willing to take the risks and the necessary steps you need to in order to accomplish your dream. So, like for example, when I grow up, I want to become not when I grow up. When I retire, I want to like live in Hawaii and like maybe run like a surf school or something. Um, but if I don't start acting like I've already put the money aside to buy the house or I've already bought the house in Hawaii, the chances of me actually getting to Hawaii go like way down. So like starting now, I'm going to act as if I already have that house. I already have the surfboards. I already have the money to start the business. I already have all of that stuff. And if I do that, then the chances of me actually making it go like way, way higher. So I recommend everybody try this. Like everybody. Like I'm telling my mom, my dad, my friends, like everybody. Because it's just that good. Okay, so I recommend you trying it too.